value and fuel efficiency in a big family sedan. Black 2011 Chevy Impala LT for sale in the Greater Lansing area at Courtesy Ford in Okemos. Just like new. Courtesy certified pre-owned purchase with confidence. Complete 115-point inspection with master certified Ford or GM technician. Equipped with remote start. Utilizes E85 Flex fuel. Features include CD/MP3, traction control, side airbags, 6-way power driver's seat, tire pressure monitoring system, power locks, mirrors, windows, ABS, ABS, cruise, tilt wheel and fog lamps. Best deal on a used 2011 Impala in town. Don't wait. Do you have special finance needs? Go to www.bettercarcredit.com. New programs available to secure your financing at the best rates. Apply now to see if you qualify. Go to www.courtsofforgatos.com to view our brand new website with actual photos of both our new and pre-owned inventory and much more.